We're going to use this right here. It's the Fluidmaster Better Than Wax toilet seal. And make them different sizes. Typically, you want to know what the distance is. This is a 3-inch drain right here. Once you put a toilet down on a wax seal, you can't move it or you break the seal. This one can be repositioned, can take it off and reinstall the toilet. A lot more flexibility. We'll have a link in the description below if you're looking to pick one of these up on Amazon. I had put this in the pipe. You want to block the smells because right now without the toilet there, you just get sewer gas coming up from there. I'm going to add this. This does not come with the toilet. This is something I bought separate, but it's time to put that together. And so following the directions, this is what I'm doing. Adding this piece. And we put this one on top of it. Got the washer on there and nuts for the bolt. Tighten those down. So we're ready for toilet placement. There you can see I kind of propped up the tank so I can measure underneath it. All right, so underneath here, the toilet was not fitting over the seal well. So I want to do some measurements, but I want to measure from right here to the underside of the toilet. I have a 1/2 inch or so of room. So now I want to go ahead and measure my toilet seal. Okay, so I put that straight edge over my toilet seal, and from the floor on which the toilet's going to rest, I'm looking at just short of 1 1/4 inches. This particular toilet seal is designed to compress somewhat, but it still was rocking because I only have like a 1/2 inch of space between the underside of the toilet and the floor. So I'm gonna get rid of this spacer. I trimmed about 1/8 of an inch off that with my blade, and that's that right there. Off the ground, this is about 3/4 of an inch, but it's still pretty compressible. You can see it's soft. So my 1/2 inch of space under the toilet will compress this down, and I should get a good seal, and yet still be able to mount it and not have the toilet rock. So let's go ahead and install the toilet. All right, it felt good. Looks right on the tape. No, it's no longer rocking, which is good. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys think out of this video, give us a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Share it. Be sure and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.